I do not believe in myself. I'm just waiting for someone to believe in me so that I can prove myself to others. What? What are you saying, man? You don't believe in yourself and you're thinking that someone will believe you? It will not. It will not happen until unless you will believe in yourself. You are not a dead man. You have to in progress. If you are running, run. If you can't run, just walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But just move ahead in your life. Nobody believe in yourself until unless you believe in you. You are the one who will believe in you and no one other. See, two person are there and they are two friends and they are looking for the job. They are searching everywhere. They go each and every interview, they search for the newspapers. They both are frustrated after 1 month. And the one friend stopped searching. He said, I can't do it. I lost my belief. I'm not the right person to do this kind of jobs. But the second one didn't stop. He never stops because he believes in himself. He again starts from the scratch, again searching for the jobs, from marking the jobs, reading newspapers, searching online, each and everything he can do to reach his jobs. And one day, he got to the job and said to the manager or the boss of the company, Sir, I can do any type of work in this company, but please give me a chance. Give me a chance to prove myself. I can do that. And I don't want any type of fee from you. And the boss repeat himself and say, I will not give you anything. The man said, nothing. I want nothing, but I want to do. I want to work myself. I want to be busy. I don't want to be free. So that man worked in that office. Came early to office and leave late. He do whatever he can do, and he's doing without any pay for that. After 1 month, he's doing his job hardworking, coming early and going late. After 1 month, one manager left the company. And the company starts searching for the new manager to fill his place. And what do you think? Who is the right person to fill in the place? And that is, yes, the same person who is putting his hard work day and night. So remember, you have to believe in yourself to people to believe in you. It's nothing that people will start believing and then you believe in yourself. It will never happen. If you can believe in yourself, you can do anything in your life. And you have to come from your heart, deep inside. It nothing matters what people think about you, what they are saying about you. It is you. It is you who will decide what is good for you and what is bad for you. To change your mindset and start believing in yourself, and you can do the things. I know. You are the person. As the greatest speaker and author said, Les Brown said, the greatness is within you. The greatness is within you. You have to start searching from inside. You have to believe in yourself. And nobody can stop you. But the other way around. If you're just sitting aside and start thinking that if someone believes in you and he will give you a chance to prove yourself, sorry to say, it will never happen. Because you are not believing in yourself. There is no chance to improve unless you prove yourself. Do the things yourself. nothing can stop you if you believe in yourself. Do the things right and see the results in your life. Remember two friends, one who lost the belief and the second one who believed in himself and he got the job. Now it is up to you to believe in yourself or to think and wait for others to believe in you, others to